Ultimately, we've only got humanity to work with. It's only clay we've got. The greatest adventure is what lies ahead. Today and tomorrow are yet to be said. The changes are all yours to make. The mold of your life is in your hands to break. All we have to decide is what to do with the time that is given us. How do you move on? You move on when your heart finally understands that there is no turning back. It is not the strength of the body that counts, but the strength of the spirit. Even the smallest person can change the course of the future. The burned hand teaches best. After that, advice about fire goes to the heart. Do not spoil the wonder with haste. There is some good in this world, and it's worth fighting for. False hopes are more dangerous than fears. Courage is found in unlikely places. Oft hope is born when all is forlorn. For we put the thought of all that we love into all that we make. The wise speak only of what they know. All have their worth and each contributes to the worth of the others. You have to understand the good in things, to detect the real evil. Often does hatred hurt itself.